Hello everyone, and welcome to this walkthrough of DemoMate AI, an intelligent video production platform designed to simplify and automate the creation of professional demo videos. In this session, I'll walk you through the platform, highlight its key capabilities, and show how organizations can leverage AI-powered automation to transform simple workflows into polished, share-ready videos. As we land on the DemoMate AI homepage, we are greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that serves as the central hub for all video creation activities. The platform has been designed to make video production accessible and efficient, whether you're creating product demonstrations, training materials, customer onboarding content, or marketing videos. At the heart of DemoMate AI is the Create Demo capability. This feature enables users to generate professional demo videos simply by providing a website URL and a set of workflow instructions. Instead of manually recording screens, writing scripts, generating voiceovers, and editing videos, the platform automates the entire process from start to finish. One of the key differentiators of DemoMate AI is its powerful multi-agent architecture. DemoMate AI leverages a powerful multi-agent architecture to automate the entire video creation process. The playwright agent executes workflows and records user interactions, while the transcript agent analyzes the captured screens and generates contextual descriptions. The audio agent then converts these descriptions into natural AI-generated narration, and finally, the stitching agent combines the recording and voiceover into a polished, professional demo video ready for sharing. In addition to demo creation, you can get started with video creation by clicking the Create Demo button. Upcoming capabilities include AI-powered shorts generation for transforming long-form content into engaging short videos, B-roll enhancement for enriching videos with supporting visuals, audio addition for narration and sound improvements, and caption generation for creating accessible and engaging subtitles. The platform also provides a simple quick start experience. Users can define the workflow they want to demonstrate, initiate the demo creation process, and receive a completed video without requiring any advanced video editing expertise. This significantly reduces the time and effort traditionally associated with creating product demonstrations. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a demo video using DemoMate AI. To get started, click on the Create Demo button. This opens the demo creation page, where you can provide the information needed for the AI agents to generate your video. First, enter the website URL, which is the complete URL of the application or website you want to demonstrate. If authentication is required, you can optionally provide the site username and site password so the automation can securely access the application. Next, enter the task description. This is where you provide step-by-step instructions for the AI agent. You can also provide additional context if there are any special instructions or details that will help the agent better understand the workflow. For this demonstration, we'll also enable the Generate Demo with Captions option, allowing the platform to automatically include captions in the final video. Once all the required information has been entered, click on the Start Automation button to begin the demo generation process. At this stage, DemoMate AI starts executing the workflow. The platform automatically navigates through the application, records the interactions, generates contextual transcripts, creates AI-powered narration, and stitches everything together into a professional quality video. After the generation process is complete, the finished demo video becomes available for download. You can download it by clicking the three-dot menu associated with the generated video, or by selecting the Download Demo Final Video option available on the page. Once the download begins, a confirmation notification will appear indicating that the video has been downloaded successfully. Additionally, DemoMate AI provides a convenient My Video section where all generated demo videos are stored and can be accessed at any time. This allows users to easily view, manage, and download previously created videos without having to regenerate them. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, DemoMate AI transforms your workflow instructions into a polished, share-ready demo video complete with narration and captions. Thank you for watching this DemoMate AI walkthrough.